Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the PubG Lite config file. It's usually in Documents or App Data. Once located, make a full backup, copy the file and append. Back or the date so you can revert. Close PubG Lite and the launcher now. If the game is open, it will overwrite changes. You're doing this to protect your settings and avoid corrupt saves. After that, open the config with a plain text editor and be ready to edit specific lines I'll point out next. Now edit key values. Change resolution, FOV, and render scale to match your monitor and performance goals. For example, set render scale to 0. 8 for smoother FPS on low-end PCs. Be careful with commas and quotes. The file is syntax sensitive, so preserve formatting. Modify network or input lines only if you understand them, since bad edits can block input. Once done, save the file as UTF-8 plain text and confirm the extension didn't change, because that would prevent the game from reading it. Finally, launch PubG Lite and test the changes. Expect to restart the game once or twice as it reinitializes settings. If values revert, immediately close the game and restore your back copy, then reapply edit step by step to find the culprit. If the file won't save or changes are ignored, check file permissions and try running the game or editor as administrator. One key tip: antivirus or cloud sync can overwrite files. Pause those services while you finish editing to avoid conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.